We'll guide you through how to make a Facebook account completely private. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, so you want to go and make your account completely private. This means people aren't going to see really anything about you, your posts, your profile details, loads of other things are going to be hidden. So we're going to guide you through how you can do this step by step. Make sure it's just full guides, you're going to go and know how. So to go and get started with this, we need to go and head to our settings. So what you can do is go and press the profile button in the bottom right. On some devices will be the top right. Previously, when you press that, you actually were taken to the Facebook menu page. If you still are, it goes and looks like this. What you can then do is you can then go and just scroll down here. And if you're on the profile page, press the three lines in the top left, find settings and privacy and tap on it to expand it. And you want to go and find settings in here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for audience visibility. So to get started, you want to go into profile details. You'll start seeing this here. So you want to go into personal details and you'll start seeing what you've added here. Press the edit icon to the right. And then what you can do is choose who can see it at the bottom. So tap that there and you can set that to only me or friends. So people have to be friends before they can see it. Make sure it's not public or friends of friends really. Then you can press done and press save. Next, you can do this for your birthday. Press the edit icon to the right. Once again, I've actually already set this to only me, but you can do the same. You can then go and repeat that for relationship status, family, hometown as well. Here's my gender. I'll press the edit icon to the right. I've gone and set this to only me, as you can see. Then you can go and press save. So you can go and repeat that for different things in your profile. For example, at the bottom, I've got my social media. I'll press the edit icon to the right. You can then go and choose who can see this. I'm going to set this to only me. I could do friends as well, but I prefer it just to be only me. Then we can go and make sure you press save. And you can go and repeat that for your email and phone number if you've got them added. Next, you can go and press back in the top left. You want to go and find the option for how people can find and contact you. So what you can do is you can go and change who can send you friend requests. You may want to go and make it so you have to go and have mutual friends, so only friends of friends can add you. I'll keep it on public though. For who can see your friends list, you want to set that to only me. Set to public, anybody can see who you're friends with. So you can then go and hit save. You can then go and choose how people can go and get suggested your account, whether it's people with your email or phone number. I'll go and turn off the search engines option there as well. You can then go and choose how you get message requests. I don't change them. Then what you want to do is go down to posts. So you can go and see who can go and see your future posts. You can also go and change this while you're making the post as well. For me though, I only want friends to be able to go and see them. You can then go and limit who can see past posts. So if you've gone and made public posts before, you can go and limit this. And then what's going to happen is they're only going to go and be shared with friends. So you can go and press limit past posts if you wish and confirm a decision there. It saves you having to do it one at a time otherwise. Then what we can do is come out of here and you want to go into stories. So you can go and choose who can see your stories. At the moment, mine is set to public. So I'm going to set mine to friends and press save. Press save again. Then you can go and choose you want to allow others to go and share your public stories on their own. I'll turn that off. Then we can come back. Next, you want to come into pages. So there you don't need to do anything. You've also got reels. So you can go and see who can see your future posts. You can set that to friends, but that should already be applied. You come into avatars. You can go and see who can share or interact with your avatar. You set that to friends or only me. Make sure you save anything you change once again. Then you can come into followers and public content. So you can choose who can follow you. We've only got that set to friends. You can go and set the rest of these to only me as well. So I could set that here, set only me. Once again, only me or friends. Then you can go through, say we've got public profile info. We can set that to friends. And you can go through the list there and set it to only me or friends. But there's most of those have been covered now. And then you can go into profile and tagging. So you can go and see who can post on your profile. I've got that set to friends, but you can set it to only me. You can go and see who can see what others post on your profile, set that to friends or only me. You can then go and see if you want to allow others to share your post their story, switch that off. I've got these just set to friends here, and you want to go and turn on review for both here. Then you can go and check your blocking if you want. That won't really do anything immediately though, and then active status. So what you can do is go and switch this off. Otherwise, people can go and see when you're active on Facebook, which you may not want. So you can press turn off there. So that's it. Your account should now be private and your details should be hidden unless it's your friend. And you have to go and have those friends accepted. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope you found this useful. We've got plenty more guides on the channel and more to come, so make sure you stay tuned.